Hello everyone and welcome to the 15th video of the Learn HTML series. Maybe you've already noticed that some HTML elements display in a different way than other HTML elements. So let's dive a bit deeper in the two display values of HTML elements. Let's start by opening our template file in our text editor. So we have a template file here. Let's open it with Notepad. So every HTML element has a default display value, depending on what type of element it is. There are two display values, block and inline. So block level elements always start on a new line, and the browsers automatically add some space, a margin, before and after the element. A block level element always takes up the full width available. It stretches out to the left and right as far as it can. So a commonly used block element is the P element. The P element defines a paragraph in an HTML document like we've seen before. So let's start by creating a paragraph. This is a block level element. So block level element. Let's close it. Now, if we save this as, let's call this block underscore inline.html, then we can open it in our browser. We can see that we have a paragraph. This is a block level element, but it is displayed as block level, and we can see it by inspecting it. If you do it like this, and then we can pick this icon, and we can see that the P element is full width of the page. So it doesn't stop after the text, it just goes as far as it can go until it reaches the end of the page. Okay, great. So there are also inline elements. An inline element does not start on a new line. An inline element only takes up as much width as necessary. So the span element is a good example for it. We can use a span element inside paragraphs. So let's do it. So this is a block level element with, and let's make it a span and close it. Okay, let's call this inline with it. So now we have a paragraph. This is block level element with an inline text with a span around the inline text, and our span is inline. So we can see this by saving and reloading our file and reloading our browser. And now if we inspect it again, we can see that the p tag is still full width, but if we go closer into the inline text, we can see that the span element is inline because it just goes as far as it needs to go. It goes as far as the content inside. So it starts just before the inline and just after the text it ends. Okay, so we've now seen that HTML elements can be displayed in two ways, block level and inline. In the next video, we will learn more about iframes, so we can display a web page inside another web page. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.